Hello everybody, my name is Micah and welcome to Micah's coding class. Today we're going to learn how to create a button and div, and if we click on the button the div will appear and play a sweet song as we just click on the button. If we click on this button, that's the song. So now let's do that real quick. So now if we open our new file, Control Shift S, save that. Let's say click sounds dot HTML. Now I'm gonna say sound click and sounds. Now we're just gonna put a div, and inside that div we're gonna put a button, and then we're gonna give this button an ID of click, and we're gonna call this button just for that. Now we're gonna put a div and give this div an ID of div, and inside that div is a h1. We're gonna say follow the sun. And one of the last things we need to do is put an audio and say and put it as the song's name. So that's everything. Now let's move to our JavaScript part. We're gonna say script, and then let's say document dot get element by ID click dot on click equal to function. And what is the function? What should the function do? They want this to appear, but it's already appeared. So we're gonna in here we're gonna say style display equal to none. And also in the audio we need to give it an ID, and then we're gonna put this ID as sound. And we're gonna say document dot get element by ID, and we're gonna say div dot style dot display equal to block. And for the song to play, I'm gonna say document dot get element by ID. Then we're gonna put the ID sound dot play. Save that. Go back to where we saved that over here. Refresh. So working. And this was Mike's coding class. I hope you like, subscribe, try to do more of these on your own, and hit the notification bell so if I post any new videos you'll be the first to know. My name's Micah and this was Mike's coding class. Thank you.